Friends, let's start our lesson by counting by twos from 2 all the way to 50. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24, 26, 28, 30, 32, 34, 36, 38, 40, 42, 44, 46, 48, 50. You did a great job with that. Mrs. Turner is very proud of you. Let's look here at these addition combinations. Now these are going to be a little bit more of the difficult combinations. Let's see how many you can get correct. Begin. 1 plus 6 equals 7. 3 plus 2 equals 5. 2 plus 2 equals 4. Way to go, friends. 2 plus 4 equals 6. 3 plus 3 equals 6. 2 plus 3 equals 5. Let's do another one. 4 plus 2 equals 6. Now this is a difficult one. You have to look carefully. 2 plus 5 equals 7. Way to go. 5 plus 2 equals 7. Lincoln.
4 plus 3 equals 7.
Good. Michaela.
3 plus 4 equals 7.
Cyrus.
6.
Start here with 1.
1 plus 6 equals 7.
Equals what? When you add 1 to any number, it goes to the next number. So what comes after 6?
7.
So 1 plus 6 equals?
7.
Good. Say the combination.
1 plus 6 equals 7.
Mason.
3 plus 2 equals 5.
Nice. Friends watching. Good. 2 plus 2 equals 4. Holly.
2 plus 4 equals 6.
It is 6. 2 plus 4 equals 6. Do it again. Have confidence in that answer.
2 plus 4 equals 6.
Good. And Micah.
3 plus 3 equals 6.
Michaela.
2 plus 3 equals 5.
Good. I love the way you were able to work so hard on those combinations. Let's take a second and look over here at our board. When we have combinations, we have this sign. What is the name of this sign, Lincoln?
Equals.
You're right. It is our equals sign. Say equals sign.
Equals sign.
Equals huh.
Equals who?
Equals, yay.
Equals yay.
Equals yes, sir.
Equals this year.
Equals aloha.
Equals aloha.
Well, I want you to look right here at this sign. This sign is not the equals sign. This is the minus sign. Minus huh.
Minus who?
Minus mamma mia.
Minus mamma mia.
Minus whoosh.
Minus whoosh.
Minus yeehaw.
Minus yeehaw.
When I think of minus, I think of subtraction. What do I think of?
Subtraction.
And when we subtract, we?
Take away.
When we subtract, we 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 take away.
Sound off, take away.
Sound off, take away.
Bring it on down. When we subtract, we take away. Take away, take away. When you subtract, you are going to have less. When you subtract, you're going to have what? Less. If Mrs. Turner had 3 cookie sandwiches and I ate 1 cookie sandwich, how many cookie sandwiches would I have left?
2.
2. I had less than when I started. When you subtract, you take away. Say that after me. When you subtract, you take away.
When you subtract, you take away.
You'll have less.
you'll have less.
Good. 5 little bear cubs swinging on a door. 1 went to sweep the floor, and then there were 4. 4 little bear cubs sitting in a tree. 1 went to make the bed, and then there were
3.
Good. 3 little bear cubs playing with a shoe. 1 went to pick up toys, and then there were
2.
You got it, Holly. 2 little bear cubs having lots of fun. 1 went to scrub the sink, and then there was 1 little bear cub lying in the sun. He went to fold the clothes, and then there were
9.
Good. Happy little bear cubs busy with their chores. Help us learn subtraction facts and so much more. Let's take a second. Mrs. Turner's going to move this piece of paper down here, and let's work on those combinations. 5 little bear cubs swinging on a door. How many bear cubs did I start with?
5.
5. 1 went to sweep the floor, and then there were
4.
This is how I would write that combination. I started with 5 bear cubs, but 1 went to do a job. So how many bear cubs do I have left?
4.
4. Read the combination, please. 5 minus 1.
equals 4.
4 little bear cubs sitting in a tree. How many bear cubs were sitting in the tree?
4.
4 little bear cubs sitting in a tree. 1 went to make the bed, and then there were
3.
how many left?
3.
How many left?
3.
Listen again. 4 little bear cubs sitting in a tree. 1 went to make the bed, and then there were 3. How many bear cubs left out of the 4?
1.
Good, Lincoln. 1 equal how many bears that are left there? 3. Read the combination. 4 minus 1 equals 3. 3 little bear cubs playing with a shoe. 1 went to pick up toys, and then there were how many? 2. 3 friends come to the front. Let's have Lincoln, Michaela, and Micah. Come. Let's look at this combination. If I have 3 friends standing here and I say, Michaela, you can hop back to your seat. How many friends do I have left? 2. So good. Go back to your seat. What is our combination? Go back to your seat, gentlemen. 3 minus 1 equals 2. What is our combination? 3 minus 1 equals 2. I'm glad that our friends watching are with us. How many bear cubs do I have left?
2.
2. So 2 little bear cubs having lots of fun. 1 went to scrub the sink, and then there was... Whoa, you did it. Let's read our combination. 2 minus 1 equals 1. 1 little bear cub lying in the sun. He went to fold the clothes, and then there were none. Read the combination. 1 minus 1 equals 0. Happy little bear cubs busy with their chores. Help us learn subtraction facts and so much more. Well, I brought special cards for our lesson today. These are our subtraction animal flashcards. Let's read the combination. 10 minus 1 equals 9. Did you see when you subtract 1 from any number, it just goes to the number that comes before? Where does it come?
Before.
Let's see who's the most dependable. You're going to come up here. You're going to stand by Mrs. Turner. You're going to say, I did my best, or you're going to catch a high five. 9 minus 1 equals 8. 8 minus 1 equals 7. 7 minus 1 equals 6. 6 minus 1 equals 5. 5 minus 1 equals 4. 4 minus 1 equals 3. 3 minus 1 equals 2. 2 minus 1 equals 1. 1 minus 1 equals 0. Good. Let's look at the back of this combination. There was one baby turtle outside. His mom told him to go inside. How many turtles are left outside?
None.
You're right, because 1 minus 1 equals 0. There were 2 owls winking in the tree. Mama Owl told one owl to go inside. How many owls were left winking in the tree?
1.
1, because 2 minus 1 equals 1. There were 3 otters playing by the stream. 1 otter went home. How many otters are left?
2.
2. What's my combination, Michaela?
1.
Nope, 2.
3 minus 1 equals 2.
Good, because when you subtract, you
Take away.
Good, let's say these again. Let's see how quick we could get through it. 10 minus 1 equals 9. 9 minus 1 equals 8. 8 minus 1 equals 7. 7 minus 1 equals 6. 6 minus 1 equals 5. 5 minus 1 equals 4. 4 minus 1 equals 3. 3 minus 1 equals 2. 2 minus 1 equals 1. 1 minus 1
equals 0.
You did a fantastic job with that. Mrs. Turner is very proud of you. I love that you are working so diligently on learning those addition combinations and those subtraction combinations. The difference is when we subtract, we
Take away.
You're right. When we subtract, we take away. Now, I have to tell you, Mrs. Turner loves going shopping. Maybe you like to go shopping, friends. Maybe your mommies like to go shopping, or on-site teachers like to go, but I like to go shopping. And Mr. Turner says, well, let's not go shopping and get this now. Maybe he'll say, let's just put the money in savings, or let's wait for another time. But when you have money, it's a good thing to save your money. So what do I have here?
Piggy bank.
I have a piggy bank. Let's put some coins into our piggy bank. This coin is, well, it's not a dime. It's one of our bigger coins. This, let's start over. This coin is,
Quarter.
the color is
Silver.
The President, George Washington. A quarter's worth what, Holly? It's the biggest amount that we have learned.
5 cents.
Say it like you know the answer. A quarter is worth
25 cents.
There you go, Holly. A quarter is worth 25 cents. Let's sing it. A quarter's worth 25, 25, 25. A quarter's worth 25 cents. There are 4 quarters in $1. How many quarters are in $1?
4.
4. 25, 50, 75, 100.
25, 50, 75, 100.
25, 50, 75, 100.
25, 50, 75, 100.
This coin is,
Penny.
yes, Michaela, you were the first friend to answer that. This coin is,
Penny.
oh, I just want a team that works together. This coin is,
Penny.
the color is copper. The President, Abraham Lincoln. A penny is worth,
1 cent.
a penny is worth,
1 cent.
we count by 1 cent. A penny is worth 1 cent, 1 cent, 1 cent. A penny is worth 1 cent, we count by 1. Have a seat, let's count our pennies together. 1 cent, 2 cents, 3 cents. If I have 3 cents, how many pennies do I have, Cyrus? If I have 3 cents, how many pennies do I have? I would have 3. This coin is nickel. The color is silver. The President, Thomas Jefferson. What's on the back? Monticello. A nickel's worth 5 cents. On the back of this coin, you're going to see 5 cents at the bottom. Class, stand. Let's count by 5s. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95, 100. Have a seat. A nickel's worth 5 cents. A nickel is worth 5 cents.
5 cents.
5 cents. A nickel is worth 5 cents. You count by fives. Count the nickels for me, please, friends watching. You did it. 5 cents, 10 cents, 15 cents. I have 3 nickels. Now, this coin is a dime. The color is silver. The President Franklin D. Roosevelt. A dime is worth
10 cents.
You got it. You count by tens. There was a girl, she had some dimes. She had to count by tens. A dime is worth 10 cents. A dime is worth 10 cents. A dime is worth 10 cents. You have to count by tens. Lincoln, count by tens.
10, 20, 30.
So I have 30
cents.
I have 30 cents. Good. When Mr. Minute is on the 12, he says,
O'clock.
he does say o'clock. How do you write o'clock?
0,
0. What time does this clock say, Holly?
4 o'clock.
Are you right? It says 4 o'clock. What time does this clock say, Micah?
4:15.
Oh, did you see those fireworks bring up? It does say 4:15. Let's keep going. What time does this clock say, Michaela?
4:30.
It says 4:30. And what time does this clock say, Mason?
7 o'clock.
It says 7 o'clock. 7:00. For our friends who are watching, what time does the first clock say? Fantastic. You're right. It does say 7:15. You can see that Mr. Minute is on the 3. He says 15. And the last clock, Lincoln, what time does it say?
7:30.
Can you say it again a little bit slower?
7:30.
You are correct. That clock says 7:30. Well, in our lesson today, we were able to count by twos. We were able to review some difficult addition flashcards. We were able to work on subtraction. When we subtract, we
Take away.
we were able to review all of our coins. We have the dime, we have the quarter, the nickel, the penny. We were even able to count them. In a future lesson, we're going to pretend we're at the store and we're going to buy things with our coins. Oh, I'm looking forward to that. You were such hard workers. You did a great job with the clocks. Mrs. Turner is so proud of you.